What is detune on sound design? Alright, so detune is a sound design technique where you tweak frequency or pitch of a sound. It's like checking the note you are playing, duplicating it, and slightly shifting the pitch or frequency. This makes the sound feel like wider or more stereo. The whole point of detune is richer, more complex, and natural vibe. But here's the thing, detune in 3x OSC feels a bit different compared to other VST. So I'm gonna use Serum here to explain it better. We will just focus on the detune and unison for now. Before you use detune, you gotta duplicate the waveform with unison. In Serum, you can go up to 16 voices. Check it out. You can already hear the change, right? It's super noticeable. Let's set it to 8 voices for now. When I start adjusting the detune, you will hear how the pitch shifts. The more I turn it left or right, the bigger the difference between the pitches. But don't overdo it, okay? Too much detune can mess up the sound. Detune is super useful if you're making genres like future bass or something like that. So what do you think? Pretty easy, right? Hopefully you get it. If you enjoy tutorial like this, make sure to follow, guys. Thanks.